go in there, Christy. And look on top of here.
Babe? Oh, to that.
Brooks, what are you doing? Wow!
Is that your kitchen?
This is so cute.
Wow!
So cute.
Perfect right there.
Mommy, pies.
Pots.
Go get your pots. Go in there and get your pots.
Let's go get our food so we can cook.